Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Holden Astra CDTi hatch, stock reference number 4113. This shape runs from the 10th month 2004 through to the 8th month 2009. It has a ZD19 DT 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. ZD19 DT 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has one small dent, chrome radiator grille, it's got a tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard has two small dents. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre, left door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear tail light, right hand rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door has three small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right power door mirror which does have some scratches on the outside edge. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.